here on one of the most incredible historic hikes in the world, the Great Wall of China. This is Amina from Amanah Fitness, bringing you on our adventures around the world to inspire you to get active outdoors. Today we're hiking one of the most beautiful but less frequently visited sections of the Great Wall, the Jinshanling section. Now this was a really rare day. Beautiful blue skies, incredible clarity across the horizon, so stick around to the end of this video because you're definitely going to want to see the incredible views, not to mention the gorgeous sunset at the end. So I got my cool Mongolian hat on, so let's get to it.
Traveling on, traveling light through the hills and valleys of my
The Great Wall Jinshanling is the best location. In all Chinese people's mind, Jinshanling is the best, the most beautiful. After visiting Jinshanling, I don't think you will enjoy other part.
traveling light, bearing answers to the questions that I don't yet know.
So from the ticket office, where we got my hat, we've walked all the way up here, and now we're going to keep walking until we meet the Great Wall. Then we're going to walk all the way to the other side of the wall as far as we can for the restored section. That's 10.5 kilometers. Then we're going to walk all the way back another 10.5 kilometers and make our way down. So I'm super excited. So we haven't even reached the Great Wall yet, but already this is super intense. This is normally a slope that people take their cable cars up, but we are trudging along, getting in that amazing lower body workout, and these steps are grueling. So as we've been walking up to the Great Wall,
we got some fans, some Amanah Fitness fans.
So these are some of the villagers who live by the Great Wall, and when they start following you, that's their right because they live here. So basically we're all going to be walking together. They're like mid-60s, 70s, wearing packs and just like scaling the mountains because that's what they do. And you can see they're in really good shape because of that. So we're just about at the Great Wall. We can really see the towers and battlements right in front of us. Definitely worth that steep hike, and this view unbelievable. You can see this beautiful steep upward climb that we're looking forward to doing. One of the most amazing things about it is that the Great Wall builders, they didn't try and avoid the mountains, like they went into the mountains and up all of the hills, so it literally looks like it's just part of the landscape. It's truly incredible. Navigating inside the Great Wall is something else. There are these massive tall stairs. You're kind of winding through the battlements. These beautiful lookout points at every turn.
I try to find my way back home. I have tasted something of your love. A nameless restlessness fills me. In my silences I still hear your voice echoing. Like a wayfarer journeying, like a stranger on his way back home.
So this part of the wall is a steep uphill, but there's no steps. It's just completely smooth. So your feet are like sliding and you really have to balance. While the uphills on the wall are tough, the downhills are the biggest challenge. In some parts, the wall's floor is so smooth and slippery that if you don't hold onto the sides, you will literally slide straight down to the bottom. Some areas you actually have to crouch down low and almost crawl your way down because the slant and the slipperiness is just too much for your shoes to take. Of course, this intense lower body workout is definitely worth it to see the gorgeous mountain views that are said to resemble a dragon snaking off into the distance.
My heart expands at your infinity. كن في الدنيا كأنك غريب أو عابر السبيل. Live this life like a wayfarer journeying, like a stranger on his way back home.
Alright guys, after a long day of hiking, we're getting close to sunset. You can see that the Great Wall is starting to take on this beautiful golden color. So we're getting to the end of our hike and gonna hopefully see some incredible colors as the sun comes down.
And so this traveler, lost and weary, wandering far from home, came at last upon your caravanserai.
tunnel, the sun is setting, beautiful colors across the mountains and the Great Wall. I've always wanted to hike the Great Wall, and today I can finally tick that off my list. So guys, if you enjoyed coming along on this journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more active adventure travels, food, fitness, and health psychology. This is Amina from Amanah Fitness. Thank you so much for joining us on the Great Wall of China. We'll see you next time, inshallah.